Well, I'm on my travels again, and I'm very close to Dover, where I'm staying and going to a school tomorrow. This is right down in the bottom right-hand corner of the country. It's where you go to get the ferries and things to go across to France. I got about sort of 40 minutes to go or something like that, and I thought, I saw this sign saying, designer village. Oh, I thought, I'm going to go and stop off there and see if there's anything interesting in the designer village shopping centre, and I can't find it. It's just all roadworks. so now I'm in some awful shopping kind of mall kind of thing, and so I'm just going to pop in and get some toothpaste. Typical, got the toothpaste and it started raining, so I had to make a run for the car. Well, how bizarre, I've just had a message from my phone provider telling me that I'm in France and welcome to France. In fact, I'm in Dover, I'm right on the edge of Dover, and above me is this amazing rainbow, and there's just an incredible light. It's just kind of one of those moments. There's mist coming in from the sea, this incredible rainbow, and just kind of a weird sunset light. All these voices coming up from the harbour telling people to get on their ferries. Oh, I forgot to take my wind muff to cut out all that horrible wind noise. But anyway, these are the White Cliffs of Dover. You probably know the song about the Bluebirds over the White Cliffs of Dover. There's the last fading bit of rainbow going down into the sea. And I'm afraid I have to tell you that there is no such thing as a bluebird in Britain. So you'll never see a bluebird over the White Cliffs of Dover. Oh, there's a ship coming in. Trucks here, they're circling all around, queuing up to go through the gates. It's getting closer. And this whole system is so efficient. As that one's coming in, there's another one coming in over there as well. Well, it's incredible watching a port like this. It's like one organism, a really well-oiled machine. Well, if we had a warm tropical breeze, this would be almost romantic. Winter has arrived. It's actually freezing cold. Okay, so I forgot to bring my hat. I forgot to bring a scarf, so I'm feeling a bit cold. I need to get back to my hotel. I've had a very long day. I got all my books here for sale. And long day telling stories and stuff. And it's almost end of school. And very soon I hope lots of kids are going to be coming in wanting to buy books. Calm before the storm. Now look at this. This is a confidential visitor sign-in sheet. This is all GDPR. So you have to print your name there, but you can't see what you've written, so you don't know how bad your handwriting is. Then your company, and then who you're visiting, so you can't see who you are visiting. Then you put your time in. So when it actually comes to the end of the day, there's a whole lot of things here, and you don't know which one is yours to sign yourself out for. So the world has gone mad. I've been at school all day, and I'm in my hotel room, so I come away extremely tired. I'm absolutely shattered. There's no way I could have driven home tonight. So thankfully I'd kind of thought about that, and I booked myself a little hotel up the road, dirt cheap Travelodge. But I've also booked it because tomorrow I can go to Rudyard Kipling's house on the way home. I spent about 18 months rewriting the Just So stories, and so I kind of feel I know him very well. I've been wanting to go to his High Estatements for a while. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm just wondering whether there are going to be vibes that I'm going to kind of pick up on. I don't know, it'd be really interesting, because all the time I was writing those books, I can feel him peering over my shoulder and breathing down my neck, agreeing with edits and rewrites that I'd made. And I just know he was a sensitive guy and a brilliant writer, absolutely brilliant writer. And I know that if he was here today now, he would edit them and rewrite. But he's not here to do it. So I kind of felt quite pleased to do that work for him, as it were.